to Sarang! Hey!
Hey! Annyeong, this is Monica.
What's up, everyone? This is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia, and I bullied the two members of One to Sarang to do this MV reaction with me. Thank you so much.
Bully is the correct word.
I really totally bullied them. Wala silang choice ngayon dahil nasa akin ang mic. May mic din naman sila, pero wala lang. Binuli ko sila to make this MV reaction for this group that just debuted this week. And sila yung first group that I have been standing even pre-debut, kaya iba din talaga yung level ng excitement ko na finally nakapag-debut na sila. We are talking about Alpha Drive 1, aka Aldi1, who just came out with their debut album called Euphoria. So their album has 6 tracks. They had a pre-release, which is Formula, which we already saw for Mama, and the other award shows they attended like MMA. And they also have OT8 versions of Boys 2 Planet favorites, Chains, and Never Been to Heaven. So this group was founded. This group was formed because of Boys 2 Planet. And their title track is called Freak Alarm. Yan yung MV that we will be showing, reacting to today. So Aldi1 is composed of 8 members. We have Junso, Arno, Leo, Gonu, Sangon, Shinlong, Anshin, and Sangyon. Ayan ang ating 8 young boys na papanoorin for today. So, let's go and watch Freak Alarm. Let's go.
Okay.
Second we walk in, everybody know. Got the place popping, 꿈과 같은 sound. I'm gonna hit them. I'm gonna hit them. I'm gonna hit them. Second we walk in, everybody know. Got the place popping, 꿈과 같은 sound. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm.
Yes, a freak alarm.
Wow.
These
children.
Gonna hit the freak alarm.
Mukha ni Dino. Bakit?
Si Shinlong.
어쩐지 오늘 기분 so high. 아마 너의 코끝에 선선한 스치듯 맴돌아. 내게로 attention 받쳐
Tricky Street?
느낌 좋아.
Hi.
Here we go on a road, yeah. 나를 알게 될 거야. So different like a new
They're
Si Leo.
Yes.
Oh, give me the show, give me the
Yung
show,
outfit
give me
niya,
the show.
yung outfit niya napaka-yonjin.
Correct.
Everybody know that the place popping, come again a sound. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm.
Yan yung bestie ni Tessa.
Wait, yun talaga yan?
Hindi.
What happened?
What's happening?
What's happening? Wait lang, hold on. Wait lang.
Wait, so,
Refresh mo lang yung part na yan. Ayan, oh.
Nakakatawa yun.
Sinabi ko lang na
Pero-
bestie ni Tessan, tapos nagkaganon tayo.
pero
Ayan,
fairness,
pwede na dyan.
naka-ano siya, naka-beat.
Oh,
Correct.
kaya parang
Kaya akala ko part of it.
Oo.
Paulit-ulit.
Tapos parang,
Sige lang.
parang, oy, cool. Tapos biglang tumagal. No, there's a problem. What the hell is happening?
Ayan,
Wait,
ayan. Okay na. Nag-ano na
Hindi,
siya.
pag-
Pumupunta siya sa next. Hindi pa rin.
Hello!
Ay, yung pag-MV
Oh my
review. Dahil ba
gosh!
binuli ko kayo?
Wait.
I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. 다가와 점점 커져간 the floor. 나를 봐 점점 달아오는 몸. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm.
Mukha ni DK.
Gonna hit the freak alarm.
Dami namang kamukha ni
si
DK.
Arno.
Oo nga eh.
Count it on me. 3초만 충분하지 ain't no
Yun?
minute.
Hindi. Yung
Ah, nasa hagdan kanina.
It's so different I can't believe. It's the right time.
That's Arno.
Baby, it's the right time.
Pogi ng bias ko. Ayun.
What's his name?
Sangwon.
Sangwon.
Laki
ng braso. Ng bata.
I know, Yan, yung sabi niya kamukha ni Daisy.
We're burning it down. Walk in and everybody know. Got the place popping, 꿈을 깨는 song. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit that. 다가와 점점 커져가는 floor. 나를 봐 점점 달아오른 몸. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm.
Wala si Dino.
The freak alarm.
Si Gano ba? O si
ako.
Shin Dong yung Dino?
No one can deny.
Feeling ba si Shin
Si siya ba
Dong,
yun?
diba?
Yung naka-blue?
Try
Yung naka-blue
내도
jacket
바로
kanina.
들켜봐.
So si Junso ba?
먼저가 거세진 빨간지 없앨지 줄을 썰나.
Hello. Ay, kailangan talaga may mga gantong mga eksena eh, no?
Everybody know we got the place poppin', 꿈을 깨는 sound. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. I'm gonna hit the freak alarm. 다가와 점점 커져가는 floor. 나를 봐 점점 달아오른 몸. I'ma make it hit the freak alarm. I'ma make it hit the freak alarm.
The freak alarm. Oh, that's the freak alarm.
Yes.
Okay.
So that was Freak Alarm, the debut track of Aldiwan. So anong mga reactions ninyo? Song, MV, dance, pogi?
Pogi.
They're very promising.
Like,
Such
actually, yung
promising
tanong ko,
young men.
ako lang ba? Or parang in the recent years, yung mga nagsisi-debutan, parang, well, maybe not. Kasi Ahof, they really looked like children. But these guys, and Cortez, but parang they look older than they seem. They are.
But to be fair, like, a lot of the fans are saying, kasi usually yung mga survival groups that debut, a lot of them are really young. Ito kasi, they're considered quote-unquote old. Nobody debuted a
Older.
minor. So like all of them parang mas on the older side, especially parang madami ditong members even older than the Maknae line of GB1, mga ganon. So
Oh, okay.
it considered older din naman sila. And also the theme being alpha. So kailangan nilang maging mga lalaki.
Mukhang alpha.
Correct.
Oo.
And they're saying about hitting the freak alarm. So
I know, right?
Diba? Once again,
What
do you
is a
guys know
freak
what you're talking
alarm?
about? Like, what do you mean by freak
What
alarm?
kind of freak alarm are you talking about?
Diba? And then hitting it.
Right? Pero may lyrics na something about I'm an alien. So,
Alien.
are they being abducted? And that's why the freak alarm is to sound off the alarm because they're being abducted by aliens? Yun ba yun? Hindi ko rin alam.
Or
I'm
maybe
an
being an
alien.
alien is being a unique and they're freakily unique. So they're gonna show their freakiness to the world and, you know, they're different. Parang ganon.
Yeah, tandaan nyo, yung pinapanood ko sa inyong video nila, yung chains, yung talagang magic mic
The
times
magic mic.
2,000, 3,000, ganon, di ba?
In
So,
fair-
freak alarm feels like,
Hindi ko
tama
siya-
naman.
Freak alarm for us. Parang look at those freaks. Parang ganon. Tayo yun eh.
Nako-confuse lang din talaga ako sa... Bakit mga bata to? Parang ganon.
Grabe
Bakit
tayo
ganyan?
makaano.
Nandun
Tapos
pa
biglang
rin-
mamaya biasin
nandun pa
natin
rin
silang
ako.
lahat. Ano ba?
Pero kasi isipin mo, yung oldest nila is O2 and TXT ang Maknae nila. Ay hindi, O5 si Yunagkai. Pero gets, parang medyo
Yeah,
matanda
it's not
na
far
in
off.
K-pop
Oo.
standards.
Correct.
Correct.
So, parang Cortez, si James, their oldest is O5. So, ito
Yeah,
O2
yeah.
naman
Correct
yung older
naman.
nila.
Ang ang take ko dito, song-wise siguro muna, it sounds familiar. Parang may, di ba? Parang medyo may...
Run DMC.
Parang for me in the
ganung-
K-pop world, parang this is a sound na parang a lot of new groups try to achieve. And I feel like they've achieved it well naman here. Parang very catchy yung chorus, alam mo yon, and
Yeah.
na pull off naman nila yung song. Very bop. I mean, parang wala kang choice kundi parang sumayaw with it. You know what I
At
mean?
maki-freak alarm sa kanila.
Maki-freak
ganon.
alarm. Oo, ganon.
A lot of
Well-
people, my daughter is saying it sounds very NCT, and it turns
Yes,
out that the
NCT.
producer is from XSM, who also produced
kaya.
like ganon. So
Oo.
parang the sound is there, parang ganon.
I have a few favorites from NCT, and I like them because they remind me of the music videos, the MTV generation, yung ganong klaseng hip-hop. Kaya ako nasabing Run DMC. Not because they sound exactly like it, pero gets, nasa ganong vibe, nasa ganong sphere.
Oo.
So that makes sense now kasi parang ganun din yung yung sa NCT nga ng mga gusto ko.
Oo.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a little bit of a throwback.
Yes.
Tapos yung naka-white, all white pa sila. Hindi ko alam kung
Oo.
bakit. Pero naalala ko yung Backstreet Boys Millennium
Exactly.
album.
Oh my God.
yun din
Target
yung vision
market
sa akin.
us.
Correct.
Sobra. Yung grabe. Kulang na lang sa hanger sila. Ganon. Sumasabay din sila sa comeback
Na
ng
pwede nila
BSB.
ng correct. And pwede
they've
nila gawin
been
yung
around.
hanger-hanger kasi 'di ba yung sa MMA, ang dinadrive nila noon, airplane. Kung sa mama dinadrive nila sa sakyan, MMA airplane na. So pasok pa rin yun sa,
Pasok sa banga ng
concept nila.
Oo. Correct.
As Alpha, drive.
Drive
Correct.
one.
Kasi may drive eh.
Oo. Correct.
Well, I'm very happy with this because honestly, yung sa Mama, syempre medyo mataas din yung expectations kasi alam natin na debut nila to noon.
Yeah.
And we said a lot of things. Please check out that episode on Mama Awards 2025. And it didn't satisfy. Lalo si Pia, who was very unsatisfied kasi
Yeah.
she was really looking forward to it. But this one, it's like, okay, you guys are redeemed. Like, I think it's a solid opening, like,
Yes.
comeback. Comeback na ba to? Hindi. Debut pa lang.
Debut.
It's a
Yeah,
solid
it's a
debut na on this path na release of a music video first.
And also about Mama, kailangan ko naman na silang i-defend bilang Alice. Naglabas na sila ng madaming mga behind. So they really showed the struggle of suddenly having to change the concept and having to rehearse last minute. So pinakita nila lahat ng struggle na yon. And unfortunately, even them, the members, right after their performance, all of them were kind of disappointed. Madami sa kanila tumalsik yung mga in-ear, nawala yung mga mic. So parang, syempre first nila eh. So parang ang dami
Correct.
ng mga ganon. Kaya hindi din nila mahit madaming mga bagay. So like, anyway, at least ngayon sa debut nila, parang medyo alam na, at may sarili na silang mga in-ears ngayon. So hindi na sila mag-rely dun sa mga in-ear na pwedeng tumalsik-talsik.
Correct.
Yes.
Sakto na sa kanyang ear
Ba't tumalsik
canals.
yung in-ear na yun? Kasi hindi yun
Because
sa kanila
they dance so
personalized.
hard. Oo, parang ano lang. Tapos nasobrahan sa dance, mga ganon. So,
Baka hindi pa nila
it wasn't
na-rehearse
fit.
din ng maayos. I have a question, and I guess specifically for Pia. Parang, ito yung debut nila, and did it show the flavor of Alpha Drive 1? At ano yung flavor ng Alpha Drive 1 na yun?
For me, oo.
Freaky
At ang flavor lang nila are really yun lang. Parang wala, lalaki kami, sasayaw kami ng mga kantang pang lalaki. Na trendy, alam mo yun, parang more of like they're looking for that trendy sound and making it their own. Their advantage to me that I'm so excited about na hindi pa lumalabas ngayon debut because their leader, Leo, is also a producer and he knows a lot of
Oh.
producers. There was this behind, ito yung sobrang, nakakakilig. Behind nila sa MMA, they met this guy, si Wing. If you remember sa Mama, di ba si GD nung kumanta siya, may nag-beatbox sa likod niya. Si Wing yung nag-beatbox na yun. So nakilala nila si Wing, tapos si Leo, as in sinabi sa kanya na, we would love to collaborate with you someday. We're thinking of making a signature sound for LD1 and we would love for you to do it. Tapos pumayag naman siya, and true enough, Beat Pella House, yung mga yung a cappella group na yon, they did come up with the signature sound of LD1, which they also released. So yun, parang merong ganong klaseng leadership si Leo, and he knows what he's looking for in the group, and he's really pursuing it. So I'm so excited about that.
And
Naghahanap
also,
naman ako ng mga
importantly,
Alice. Ano?
Yan, Alice, where you
importantly,
at?
ang contract nila ay 7 years.
Yes, kaya nilang gumawa
7
ng
years.
maraming album and discover their music. Kasi hindi sila
Correct.
mawawala na lang bigla. Sayang yung investment.
Ang popogi kaya nila, walang tapon, no?
Oo.
Pogi
Ang
sila.
bilis
Naghahanap
kasi.
ng kakampi.
Ang bilis kasi parang hindi ko pa masyadong nababaran. Pero yung talagang yung pinaka-center nila, si Sangwon, talagang medyo may vibe siyang Felix for me. I don't know why. Parang yung
Really?
angelic face na pwedeng medyo androgynous. May ganun siyang look. Oo. May ganun siyang
Very
look for
baby
me.
girl nga din siya kasi.
Oo.
To be fair
very
to him.
baby girl. Okay.
Oo. Kaya nagets ko yung androgyny.
Medyo may pagka-it boy. Kumbaga kung ano to, Candy Crush. Candy Crush tuloy. Ano yun?
Candy Crush? Candy
Yung
Cutie.
Candy Cutie.
Candy Cutie girl.
Crush.
Paano siya papasok sa Candy Crush as a game?
You know how yung mga Candy Cuties dati, parang it's usually like either the jocks and the cool kids. And then onti lang usually mga cutie-cutie, mga sweet boy. It definitely nandun sila sa parang jock type, mga ganon. Yung mga
Correct.
mga popular barkada. It
Yes.
boy kind of thing.
Oo. The It Boys.
Na, pero hindi, pwede naman. Kasi parang, medyo it boy level din kasi yung kunyari Enha. Pero yung Enhypen kasi parang model levels na yun.
Oo.
Alam
Alam
ko kung
mo
ano
yun.
sila exactly, Domon.
Alam natin yun. Pero sa atin na yun.
Pero sa
Kung
amin
gusto
na
nyo
yun.
malaman,
Huwag nyo nang
let's hang
alamin.
out.
Oo.
To be fair, like the whole Boys to Planet, parang paulit-ulit din kasi yung keyword na alpha. Kaya medyo unfortunate din dun sa mga sumali na they're more like on the softer side. Parang medyo hindi sila nabigyan ng chance. I feel like Wake One was focused on coming out with an alpha group. After
Yes.
the gay parade that is GB1, parang sabi siguro nila, okay, tama na tayo sa mixed group. Ganon.
Oo.
Alpha lang tayo ngayon. Parang ganon. But yeah, so parang madaming mga trainees who are really good, but I guess they didn't fit that mold. Kaya
Yeah,
ito yung
yeah.
pinili nila.
Oo, correct.
Pinili talaga. Binoto ng mga tao.
Oo, correct.
Quote unquote. But binoto
Kaya
naman.
Binabaran
Binoto.
ng camera. Para
Oo,
sila
binabaran
lang
ng camera. Binoto kasi
manipulated
binoto talaga
us.
kasi merong Mnet editing.
Yes.
Is this enough to make you guys want to check out their other songs and their faces?
Oo. And I feel like it's
check out their album. Yeah.
And I feel like
love their album.
I feel like it's gonna be inevitable na you'll listen to them all the time. Alam mo yun? I feel like they have a very strong sound. Alam mo yun? And in the next few months, kaka-release lang din nila ng album. Rotation yan sa mga K-pop playlists. Alam mo yun? So talagang ma-discover mo talaga sila.
Yes! I cannot wait sa lahat ng mga Sarang Base. Sana nagustuhan ninyo tong MV na to. And if it's enough for you to check out the rest of the album, let us know. Message me. I have my favorites from Boys to Planet. Sobrang gusto ko yung Never Been to Heaven and Chains dahil sa performance. Pakihanap yung performance na yun. Naloka si Trency. May part na paulit-ulit namin pinanood.
Oo nga.
Alamin nyo na lang kung ano
Alam
yun.
mo, yun yung medyo kulang dito, do.
Kulang ng chain.
Kasi nakahiwalay yung sa chains.
Kulang
Okay.
ng chains. Pero okay lang. Later on.
Age
oo.
appropriate.
Correct, yun naman
Correct.
din tayo sa
Sakto
age
lang.
appropriate.
Din yan.
With the hats na nakaganon. Tapos
Pero
yung mga
at least
backpack
alam
na mga
natin
ano.
na kaya nilang pumunta doon.
Correct. So,
Kaya
abangan na
nilang
lang
mag-Magic
natin.
Mike 3000. Yan.
Tama.
Message us and also Cinnamon Shake. I super love that song as well. Raw Flame. Lahat na yata binanggit ko. Okay, messages Sarang Base. Pag-usapan natin yan. Bias ko si Sangwon tsaka si Gonu. Ayun lang naman. Na-share ko lang. Hindi ako mga away this time around kasi mga bata. Nabilaukan ako sa mga bata. Bakit ganun? Okay, so this has been fun. Share this episode with your friends. Mga Alice Labas, usap-usap tayo. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter. And we will see you on our next episode. Kung kailan man yan, abangan ninyo sa aming socials. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chagoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarah, hey!